Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Southwest Airlines account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Southwest Airlines account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in southwest.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Southwest Airlines login like this and hit enter, and after that you can see the login page of Southwest Airlines directly on the first result of Google. Click over there, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page. Now to log into your account from over here on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available. Click on login and you can directly log into your account from over here by entering your account number or your username, and after that enter your password and click on login to sign into your Southwest Airlines account from over here. Or if you have problem logging in, simply click on need help logging in to solve your problem, whether it's related to your number, your username, or your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Southwest Airlines, simply click on enroll now to go through a procedure to create an account on Southwest Airlines. And guys, this is how you log into your Southwest Airlines from your home page. But over here you can see this is the login entry point, which means you can also log into your Southwest from over here with this different page. Similarly, you'll be required to enter your account number or your username, and after that enter your password, the same login button, and you can also create an account on over here. With on both of these sites you can log into your accounts. And guys, this is how you log into your Southwest Airlines account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.